The Bucher Schoerling factory in Hanover. For more than 75 years, road sweepers have been designed and manufactured here for service in the private and municipal utility time. They localize specialist fields in hard surface cleaning in cooperation with experts and draw up feasible options. This results in practical solutions which are closely oriented to individual customer requirements. With a capacity of 4.3 cubic meters. The TAZ-TSZ with 6 cubic meters. And the TAZ-TSZ Super, besides computer-controlled manufacturing, Bucher Schoerling sets great store by its commitment to handcrafting. Here you will find specialists from the most diverse trades at work, forming steel sections or precision welding, for example. The completed construction modules are assembled together with heavy-duty drive units to form the renowned and powerful heart of the vehicles, the engine exhauster unit of the Bucher Schoerling system. Needless to say, these comply with the strictest exhaust and noise emission regulations currently contained in the Euro standards. The central warehouse not only supplies the production lines with vehicle components, but also ensures round-the-clock customer service and spare parts availability. The company is of course certified throughout to the ISO 9001 quality assurance standard. Ears firmly focused on practical requirements, the engineers and designers at Bucher Schoerling are constantly striving for optimum solutions to tricky problems. Time after time. Before delivery, all vehicles are put through a final tough quality test. Freshly painted and bearing the Bucher Schoerling logo, they leave the production shops. Now we should like to introduce you to the sweeper model TAZ-4 and offers a comprehensive range of sweepers, including airport runway and snow sweepers. The synergy of experience, know-how and ongoing development at the very highest technological level have made sweepers from Bucher Schoerling a byword for quality throughout the world. Their corporate philosophy is uncompromisingly clear. Performance is the principle, innovation the concept, guaranteeing the highest vehicle. Bucher Schoerling has worked in close cooperation with almost all well-known chassis manufacturers. They can always supply the appropriate sweeping superstructure. Here the unique design and performance features. In its standard version, the hopper has a capacity of 6 cubic meters. The water tank holds 1,200 liters of fresh water. On the rear door, you see the dirty water screen, and on the ceiling of the tank, the air screen. Above the air outlets are the deflectors. A look into the interior shows that the dirt is first thrown against the highly wear-resistant deflectors before it settles on the floor. To prevent operational errors and accidents, the hopper door can only be closed hydraulically from the rear end of the vehicle. The extremely steep tipping angle of 60 degrees enables quick emptying of the hopper. The raised superstructure is secured by a safety bar. All the parts of the engine exhauster unit are then easily accessible for maintenance work. The interior space is sound insulated. The additional sound insulation package Silent reduces noise emission effectively. When the rear wander hose is in operation, a slide valve interrupts the airstream of the sweeper fan unit. It also serves as an overflow safety device. Here, the powerful engine exhauster unit with its two-step speed adjustment, which increases or decreases the suction power as required, thus helping to save fuel. The water screen is easily accessible for cleaning. Here, the clearly and ergonomically designed console for controlling all the sweeping units' operation in various export markets. From the control console, the water supply to the different sweeping units can be individually dosed in order to control dust whirled up in the sweeping process. The water jets on the forward bumper are part of the standard equipment. A powerful high-pressure sprinkler unit can be optionally supplied on request. That was a brief overview of the TAZ-TA's technical features. This vehicle is a perfect example of durability. On lowering power, the positive effect of the silent package is clearly audible. The sweeping units of the TAZ-2. Here too, the suction nozzle and hose can be operated individually or together. The suction nozzle is tilted for taking up coarse dirt. The combination of gutter brooms, auxiliary front-mounted gutter broom and main broom enables different sweeping widths to be achieved. With the performance of a big road sweeper, but with compact dimensions and high maneuverability as a result, the TAZ-2 is ideal for use on narrow roads, confined inner-city areas as well as large open spaces. The TAZ-2 is proof that cost-effective operations and a clean environment need not be demonstrated by Bucher Schoerling in its cooperation with overseas partners. Here, for example, with Cox in Alkmaar, the Dutch market's leading supplier of municipal utility vehicles. This version of the now. A further renowned partner in Bucher Schoerling's international sales and distribution network is particular ideas about the machines they use to master these daily chores. What primarily count are operability, safety, a long service life, and the availability of qualified service and maintenance facilities. In other words, high cost effectiveness. And on these counts, the sweepers from Bucher Schoerling are absolutely unbeatable. The Brandenburg Gate in Berlin. Today the people of Germany's capital city are witnessing one of the world's greatest international marathon events. 6 Bucher Schoerling road sweepers are also in action. They follow right behind the field of 18,500 runners to clean up what the spectators and competitors have left behind. For the past 20 years, the city's biggest private waste disposal company has carried out this operation on behalf of the Berlin Municipal Authority. Immense logistical expertise as well as comprehensive, reliable equipment are absolutely essential for tasks of this type. As the final event comes to an end, the perfected operations plan goes into action as 80 men, 6 Bucher Schoerling sweepers and several garbage skips commence cleaning up the streets around the finishing line directly at the foot of the Kaiser Wilhelm Memorial Church. Here you see a Bucher Schoerling sweeper emptying the dirt from a 6 cubic meter hopper onto an interim curbside depot. Evidence indeed of the optimum loading capacity of this vehicle. About 3 hours have passed since the major cleanup began on this traffic hub. The sweepers are making their final rounds. Shortly, nothing will remain to tell the story of the great garbage chaos. Finally, we'd like to give you a brief overview of the entire range of Bucher Schoerling sweepers.
Da kommt sie, die Kehrmaschine. Gucken Sie an. Groß und mächtig. Jawohl. Kalle, guck raus. Und den Start. Ui, 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 ui. Das ist die Kehrmaschine.
upwards. Depending on configuration, this provides sweeping widths of up to 3,000 millimeters. The result is a super sweeper optimally equipped for long sweeping missions on trunk roads, motorways or large open spaces. Its operational speed is between 2 and 18 kph. The sweeping units combine with a large dimension suction nozzle and hose to take up all kinds of dirt at high speed. This vehicle too is equipped with a silent package.